morning, students. Today we will discuss about the problem solving and using local attraction. To find the corrected bearings using local attraction. To eliminate the error due to local attraction. How the observed bearings were determined, eliminated by local attraction by using local attraction method. How to find the corrected bearings of the given observation. This is a problem given here. The following bearings were observed using compass with a given traverse. So here you can see these are all the observed bearings, both fore bearing and back bearing of a given traverse AB, BC, CD and D. From the given, we know this traverse consists of a open traverse only. Okay, because the starting point of a traverse is A. A is extended towards B, B towards C, C towards D, D towards and end with the station E. So here the starting and end stations are variable. It is called as a open traverse. Okay. The observations are made by using compass or fore bearing and back bearing. Fore bearing and back bearing of a given line AB. AB is the fore bearing of AB is 45 degree 45 minutes. Back bearing of line AB is 226 degree 10 minutes. Next line BC. The fore bearing 96 degree 55 minutes. Back bearing 277 degree 10 minutes. Next line CD. The fore bearing of line CD is 29 degree 45 minutes. Back bearing of line CD is 209 degree 10 minutes. Next, last line DE. Fore bearing of line DE is 324 degree 48 minutes. Back bearing of line DE is 144 degree 48 minutes. These are the observations made by using compass with a given open traverse. How can we identify the open traverse? This one is the starting point A. The end point is E. So the starting point and the end point or the traverse is variable, not a same point, because it is called open traverse. Okay. Here, what is required here? Mention which stations are affected by local attraction. LA. Already all of you know about the concept of local attraction. Local attraction is defined as any influences. Okay, any external influences affect to prevent the magnetic needle attached with the compass with the magnetic north. Okay, so local attraction is the any external influences to prevent the magnetic needle with its true magnetic bearing. So how to identify this observations are with the error of local attraction. How to identify? Already we know the difference between the fore bearing and back bearing is 180 degree. If satisfied that 180 degree condition, there will be a no local attraction error. If it is if the condition is not satisfied, plus 180 degree, the difference between fore bearing and back bearing is 180 degree. If it is not satisfied that line were affected by a local attraction. Local attraction is nothing but any influences, external influences prevent the magnetic needle to locate the true meridian, true bearing. Okay. So what is the requirement here is determine the corrected bearing. So these observations are not correct because it will affected by the local attraction error. From the above given problem, by using the observed forebearing and back bearing, we can draw the network of this open traverse. Okay, the figure here is drawn by using only forebearing values. At the time of plotting the traverse, we can use only forebearing values only, not by back bearing. We will not consider the back bearing observation, only consider the forebearing values. We can draw the network here. How to draw the given traverse networks? How to plot? Okay. First, the station A. Station A. This is the station A. The station A, from the station line extending towards B with the forebearing of 45 degree 45 minutes. 45 degree line is lie on the first quadrant. So I can draw the line towards B, station B. The forebearing of line AB is 45 degree 45 minutes. Okay, the forebearing of 45 degree 45 minutes lie on the first quadrant only. So I can draw the line AB on the first quadrant. Okay, station A. Next given BC, line BC. BC, the observed forebearing is 96 degree 55 minutes. 96 degree greater than 90 degrees. So it lie on the second quadrant. Second quadrant near to the 90 degree towards C. Towards C. The observed bearing, forebearing is 96 degree 55 minutes. Next, the station C is the not end station. So here also the point D is extended from C towards C with the bearing of 29 degree 45 minutes. 29 degree also lying on first quadrant only. So I can draw a line in the first quadrant, 26 degree. Okay, towards D. The observed forebearing is 29 degree 45 minutes. 29 degree 45 minutes. Next, line D. It is the station D. The CD line is end with the station D. From the D, the observed forebearing towards E is 324 degree 48 minutes. 324 degree is the lie on the fourth quadrant. Okay. From the D towards E, the forebearing of DE, line DE is 324 degree 48 minutes. From D, yeah, the 324 degree 48 minutes lie on the fourth quadrant between 270 to 360 degree. So I can draw the line towards E from the D. Okay, yeah. So E is the end station. The forebearing of D, line D is 324 degree 48 minutes. The given traverse, the bearings, forebearings observed by using the compass is plotting with the traversing. The starting station A, from the A 45 degree 45 minutes towards B, the first line AB lie on the first quadrant because the observed forebearing is 45 degree 45 minutes. 45 degree 45 minutes is the angle between 0 to 90 degree. Next line BC. BC, the observed forebearing of BC is 96 degree. 96 degree is lying on second quadrant between 90 to 180 degree. So I can draw the line BC here. Next, from C, the forebearing of line CD is 29 degree. 29 degree between lie on the first quadrant between 0 to 90 degree. I can draw the line towards D. From D, the station E, observed forebearing of DE is 324 degree 48 minutes. 324 degree is between 270 to 360 degree. I can draw the line in fourth quadrant. It is the given traverse. Okay, the starting point A, end point D, because this is the open traverse. If it is closed traverse means the starting and end points are same. If the line, if the station E from A, if the traverse end with the A, it is called closed traverse. But here from the observed bearings, the starting and end points are variable, so it is the open traverse only. How many stations are available here? Station A. Stations. Station A. Next station B, C, D and E. Okay. The observations are made with the 5 stations. Okay. The forebearing of line AB, BC, CD, EE. You can draw the open traverse. The available stations are A, B, C, D and E. Okay. From the given observation, we can draw the, already we draw the network of this open traverse, given open traverse. Here the requirement is to determine the corrected bearings. Okay. Why we are going to determine the corrected bearing? Already observed bearing is there and observed bearing is given. Why we are going to determine the corrected bearing one? Because the observations are made with a local attraction error. How to find out the given observed bearings were affected by local attraction? How to identify? We know the condition satisfied by the traverse, by the line, is the difference between the forebearing and back bearing. Forebearing and back bearing. The difference between. This is not a negative sign. This is the difference sign. Okay. Difference between observed forebearing and back bearing of a line. Okay. The line AB. If the given line AB, forebearing of AB and back bearing of AB is equal to 180 degree. It is the condition here. That is the concept. If it is not satisfied, if it is not 180 degree, if the stations are, the given observations are affected by local attraction. Okay. The condition is the difference between forebearing and back bearing is equal to 180 degree. So, how to identify the observed bearings were affected by local attraction means, if it is not satisfied this condition, the observed bearing is affected by local attraction error. Now we can find which stations are. The question is, first one is, mention which stations were affected by local attraction. That is the first question. Next, first we can find which stations are affected by local attraction. Then that stations are that observed bearings are corrected by local attraction error and determine the corrected bearing only. So find which stations are affected by local attraction error. Okay. Line AB. See the observed bearing. Observed bearing is forebearing 45 degree 45 minutes. Back bearing 226 degree 10 minutes. So difference between these two are 226 degree 10 minutes minus 45 degree 45 minutes. You can see the variations in the minutes. Okay, we can easily we told this is not equal to 180 degree. The difference between the forebearing and back bearing of a line AB is not equal to 180 degree. So the stations A and B were affected by local attraction. Okay, easily we identify. Next line BC. BC, the observed forebearing and back bearing is, forebearing of BC is 96 degree 55 minutes. Difference. The observed bearing of back bearing of line BC is 277 degree 10 minutes. Here also this is not equal to 180 degree. So the station B and C also affected by local attraction error. Next is CD. Forebearing of CD is 29 degree 45 minutes. Difference. Back bearing of CD is 209 degree 10 minutes. Here also not satisfied this condition, not equal to 180 degree. The line, last line DE. Okay. D, the observed forebearing is 324 degree 48 minutes minus 144 degree 48 minutes. Here you can see the minutes are same. Okay. So there is a possible to satisfy the condition forebearing minus back bearing. Difference between forebearing and back bearing is 180. So what is the difference? Equal to 180 degree. So from the given observations, line AB, BC, CD were affected by local attraction because the difference between forebearing and back bearing is not equal to 180 degree. Okay, the line DE from the observed one not affected by the line DE is not affected by local attraction error because here you can see satisfy the above condition. Forebearing, difference between the forebearing and back bearing of line is equal to 180 degree. From the observed corrected bearing we can find the corrected bearing of these affected lines. Okay, how to find the corrected bearing of AB, BC, CD? By using the corrected observed bearing, because this one is not affected by 180 degree, equal to 180 degree difference. So the line DE is not affected by local attraction. Here the final conclusion is, from the given problem the line AB, BC, CD are affected by local attraction because the difference between the forebearing and back bearing is not equal to 180 degree. The line D is not affected by local attraction because satisfying the condition difference between the forebearing and back bearing is equal to 180 degree. This is the final conclusion from the given observation. Finally, we can conclude the stations D and E were not affected by local attraction. These are the remarks written by the table. Okay. First we can form the table. Line, first column, line, observed line. Second column, observed bearing. It may be forebearing or back bearing. Observed bearing. Next, how that bearing, how much error will occur by local attraction. Okay. So the correction. Next one. Next column is correction. How much the observed bearing affected by the local attraction. It is the correction. Next, to eliminate the correction from the observed bearing, what is the corrected bearing one? This is the simple table. draw here. First we can fill the table with the given observations. From the given observation, we can conclude the station D and E were not affected by local attraction, because how can we tell this station D and E are not affected by local attraction? Means this line DE, forebearing and back, difference between the forebearing and back bearing is 180 degree. Is the last step we can discussed. Okay. So from the discussion, from the above discussion, we can conclude the station D and E were not affected by the local attraction. Right. Okay. Up to this, the correction pattern up to this step can get the 6 mark alone. Okay. Out of 16 marks, up to this first step, we can get the 6 marks for this conclusion. Okay. Next, we can find the corrected bearing. Okay. From the observed one. First, we can write the given observation here. Line AB. Okay. Line BA. Line BC. Line CB. Line CD. Line DC. Line DE and line ED. So only the forebearing were observed in station A. So we can divide the station wise observations. Okay. Then from the station B towards A, one observed, one bearing, back bearing of AB is observed from station B only. So back bearing station using station B. Forebearing also taken in this station. So the station B, 2 observations are made. So like that, station C, here also 2 observations are made. D also same. Last one from the station E, back bearing only taken. So write the given observations, observed bearings here. Forebearing of AB 45 degree, 45 minutes. From the given, no line were given like that, BA, but indirectly given back bearing of AB is bearing of BA. So how much that? 226 degree, 10 minutes. Next BC, forebearing of BC 96 degree, 55 minutes. Next CB, back bearing of BC 277 degree, 10 minutes. Next CD, forebearing of line CD 29 degree, 45 minutes. Back bearing of CD 209 degree, 10 minutes. Forebearing of DE 324 degree, 48 minutes. Last one, back bearing of DE 144 degree, 48 minutes. This is the given observation. Okay. Already we know the observations are affected by the bearing, observed bearing were affected by local attraction. From the given observation, we can conclude that the station D and E, these 2 stations are not affected by local attraction. From the above discussion, the difference between the forebearing and back bearing of line D 324 and 144, the difference between these 2 forebearing and back bearing is exactly 180. So from this discussion, we can conclude the D and E are not affected by local attraction. So the correction here is 0 degree. correction. No correction here because the difference between the forebearing and back bearing of line D is 180 degree. So the line DE and ED not affected. So 0 degree at E also. Okay. From the correction we will get the corrected bearing. So here the line ED corrected bearing is same because no error. This line is not affected by local attraction. So the corrected value is same here because 0 degree at correction is 0 degree at station E. Okay. Next here also 0 degree correction. So corrected bearing is same 324 degree 48 minutes 209 degree 10 minutes. The two bearings DC and DE observed at the station D only because we can write the corrected bearing here also 0 degree at station D. The bearing of back bearing of CD is observed from station D. So corrected bearing is same here. But already we know these stations, station A, station B and station C are affected by local attraction. So the observed bearings of these stations were not corrected because this is affected by local attraction error. So we can find the corrected value, corrected bearing of these lines by using the corrected bearings of line D and observed from D and E. So what is the this is the back bearing of line CD. Already we know the difference bearing, forebearing and back bearing is 180 degree. So 209 degree 10 minutes is corrected value. What is the corrected value of CD? Just we can add or subtract the 180 degree from the corrected observation, corrected bearing. What is the condition? Plus or minus 180 degree corrected bearing. நமக்கு பேக் bearing வேணும் அப்படின்னா பேக் bearing is equal to forebearing plus or minus 180 degree. So I know back bearing. What is the forebearing? Alter this equation into forebearing equal to back bearing plus or minus 180 degree. Okay, yeah. I know back bearing of line CD is 209 degree. What is the forebearing? Forebearing equal to plus or minus 180 degree. Here the corrected value is greater than 180 degree. 209 degree is the greater than 180 degree. So we can subtract the 180 degree from the corrected one. 209 degree 10 minutes minus 180 degree. So what is the corrected observation here? 29 degree 10 minutes. From the corrected back bearing we can find the forebearing. Forebearing equal to back bearing plus or minus 180 degree. If the corrected value is greater than 209 degree, so we can subtract the 180 degree. 209 degree 10 minutes minus 180 degree is equal to 29 degree 10 minutes. The corrected bearing of line CD is 29 degree 10 minutes. But the observed value is 29 degree 45 minutes. There will be the error due to local attraction. How much error? Error by the local attraction is the difference between the corrected bearing minus observed bearing is equal to 29 degree 10 minutes minus correction. The formula correction equal to 29 corrected bearing minus observed bearing. So is equal to 29 degree 10 minutes minus 29 degree 35 minutes minus 0 degree 35 minutes at station C. Okay, yeah. The error, the correction is 0 degree 35 minutes at C minus 0 degree 35 minutes at station C. Apply the error here. Observed bearing minus correction is equal to corrected bearing. Corrected bearing is equal to 277 degree 10 minutes minus 0 degree 35 minutes is equal to 277 degree 10 minutes minus 0 degree 35 minutes. 276 degree 35 minutes. It's the corrected bearing of line CB. Okay. So by using this corrected value, we can find the corrected bearing of line BC by using the given condition. Back bearing, I know back bearing. What is the forebearing of this line is forebearing equal to back bearing plus or minus 180 degree. It is also greater than 180 degree. So subtract the 180 degree from the corrected one. So minus 180 degree is equal to 96 degree 35 minutes. It's the corrected one. The correction is the difference between the corrected bearing minus observed bearing. It is also different. So here also this value is affected by local attraction. How much local attraction error is there? So minus 96 degree 35 minutes minus 96 degree 15 minutes. So minus 0 degree 20 minutes error by local attraction at the station B. So distribute the error to this observed value. 226 degree 10 minutes minus 20 minutes. So what is the corrected one? 26 degree 10 minutes minus 0 degree 20 minutes. 225 degree 50 minutes. Okay. From the corrected value, from the corrected back bearing, forebearing is calculated by using forebearing equal to back bearing plus or minus 180 degree. This corrected bearing is also greater than 180 degree. So we can subtract the 180 degree from the corrected one. 225 degree 50 minutes minus 180 degree 45 degree 50 minutes. So this is also affected by local attraction. How much error will here? 45 degree 50 minutes minus 45 degree 45 minutes. So plus 0 degree 5 minutes at A. That's all. The final answer of the given problem is the corrected bearings of line AB, BC, CD, DE or 45 degree 50 minutes, 225 degree 50 minutes. That's all. This is the final answer.